Why Elon Musk stays in a tiny house that is worth less than a Tesla car. SpaceX and Tesla CEO Elon Musk is a man who has remained controversial in his life. From how he runs his billion-dollar companies to how he interacts with his fans on social media, Musk has remained unpredictable. But despite being the richest man on Earth with a net worth of $276 billion, Elon Musk is not afraid to show the world his frugality by living in a tiny house in Texas that's barely worth half the price of one of his Tesla cars. Interested to know why a man who could afford to buy countless mansions chooses to live this way? Well, be sure to watch this video to the end to find out. So, let's get straight into the video. South African-born American entrepreneur Elon Musk owns no home. Now, that sounds bizarre to say the least. But yes, Elon Musk owns no home. Though Elon Musk had several investments in his real estate portfolio, he came out recently on Twitter to reveal that he owns no home. He tweeted saying, "Own no house." In the tweet, he proceeds to reveal that he would be selling all his worldly possessions. And after announcing that, he proceeded to sell all his properties worth over $140 million, including his beautiful mansion located in the posh Bay Area town of Hillsborough, San Francisco, for $30 million. Before listing the homes for sale, Musk was a proud owner of 7 houses in California and 1 in Los Angeles. His Bel Air mansion, which was his primary residence and the largest of all, was sold for $29 million to Chinese tech billionaire William Ding. Musk purchased the property in 2012 for $17 million and started living there in 2016 with his children as his primary residence. And as you know, Bel Air is home to luxury properties packed with posh amenities in Los Angeles. The 7-bedroom multi-story mansion has 11 bathrooms, well-manicured gardens, a pool, a spa, and a garage. Now, his decision to list all his properties for sale came a week after a report by ProPublica indicating that Elon Musk and other billionaires paid little or no income tax for several years relative to their lump sum wealth. According to the report findings, Elon Musk paid no federal income tax in 2018 and less than $70,000 in 2015 and 2017. So where exactly is Elon Musk living now that he owns no home? Well, after selling his properties, Elon Musk relocated to Texas. However, no one had clear information on where exactly in Texas Musk was living. Some assumed that he might have bought a luxury home in or around the Austin area. However, when details emerged about where Elon Musk was living, it came as a surprise since Musk revealed to the world his truly unique taste, which is quite different from other billionaires. It was realized that Elon Musk was not even living in a luxury home as earlier thought. Instead, he had relocated next to his SpaceX factory in Boca Chica Village, where he is currently living in a $50,000 rented house. This tiny house, owned by SpaceX Texas, covers 400 square feet and is believed to have been created by Las Vegas startup company called Boxable. Details of this house emerged after Elon Musk took to Twitter to update his fans on his new home, saying, "My primary home is literally approximately a $50,000 house in Boca Chica Starbase that I rent from SpaceX." Even though Elon Musk didn't mention the company that built him the house, a Google Map search indicates a Boxable casita in Boca Chica. Also, tracing from the statements of Boxable, we can ascertain that indeed the startup company was the one responsible for manufacturing and installing Elon Musk's house. Initially, when they were installing the house, Boxable co-founder Galliano Tiramani did not reveal details of the owner. However, according to an informer from Tesla, Galliano described the owner as a very special client in Boca Chica, one that preferred to have a Falcon 9 poster on the unit's door. So there's no doubt that Elon Musk is the owner of the Boxable casita, and that the home was made by Boxable. The main advantage of the prefabricated house is that it is easy to install, transport, and can be relocated quite easily considering that it's foldable into nearly half its actual size. A tour inside Elon Musk's casita reveals that it is an energy-efficient house because of the insulation technology used in constructing it and the incorporation of LED lighting. Also, it is built to resist extreme weather conditions such as floods and wind, with a retrofit snow load capacity for those in cold areas. The stylish tiny house is set up like a studio apartment with an open-plan living area, kitchen and bedroom with an adjacent bathroom. The tiny house comes fully furnished with all the necessary amenities for normal housing, like electricity, plumbing, and air conditioning, all pre-installed. There is a kitchen that has a refrigerator, dual sinks, an oven, a dish sink, cabinets, a microwave, and a dining table that connects with countertops. The living room has a couch and a space for a coffee table. The bedroom, on the other hand, lies across from the kitchen and has enough space to divide the bedroom from the living room. The bathroom is next to the kitchen and features a shower, a sink, a sliding door, and a mirror. But why is Elon Musk getting rid of his luxury properties and instead choosing to live in a tiny house in Texas? Well, Elon Musk has a goal to change the world by offering solutions to some of the problems affecting our modern world. Through his companies, he has managed to make a major impact on the way we live and view the world. And to achieve his dream, Elon Musk prefers to be close to his companies and monitor every step of production. He probably might have moved to Texas to monitor production processes at SpaceX and speed up the establishment of Starbase City. Besides, Elon Musk is known to exercise frugality to some extent and would choose to do just about anything that can help his companies grow. When he established his first company, Zip2, Elon Musk rented an office space where he would sleep on the couch and use it as an office. And even when his Tesla company was on the verge of collapsing, Musk would sleep on Tesla's floor, stressed to meet the production deadline. He even went on record saying, "If it doesn't matter, why own it?" And indeed, Musk might have realized he owned some properties which he rarely used, which ended up adding no value to him. You'll even be surprised that sometimes Elon Musk prefers using his helicopter for accommodation instead of renting whenever he is out away from his home. Another reason for Elon Musk to relocate to Texas is probably to escape personal income tax. This considering that Texas does not have a personal income tax. In fact, as we mentioned, Elon Musk and other billionaires were receiving criticism for paying less tax. He responded to the criticism on Twitter saying, "We'll pay more taxes than any America in history this year." He, however, was a bit frustrated by the high tax overload to business operators, saying, "California used to be the land of opportunity, and now it is becoming more so the land of sort of over-regulation, over-litigation, over-taxation," noting that it was increasingly difficult to get things done in the state. Now, all these frustrations could be the reason why Elon Musk chose to relocate to Texas, which is a tax-friendly state. Similarly, Elon Musk wanted to defeat critics of his immense wealth. In an interview with renowned podcaster Joe Rogan, Musk acknowledged that indeed possessions sometimes weigh you down and become a point of criticism. He was quite aware of how people talked ill about his possessions, and now he wanted to see their reaction after relocating to a tiny house and selling his properties. He is passionate about advancing the adoption of green energy in the whole world. He pioneered the introduction of electric cars and batteries through his electric automaker Tesla, and now it seems he's shifting his focus to green energy-powered houses. Even though Elon Musk purchased a house from Boxable, it does not mean he could not manufacture one for himself. Already, Elon Musk had initiated a prefabricated houses project at his Tesla firm with an aim of manufacturing green energy-optimized houses on a large scale. But contrary to Boxable Casita, Tesla's tiny home is powered by an inbuilt rooftop solar panel capable of producing 4.1 kilowatts of power. The home can also store and use power 24 hours a day. The house comes with a 25-year guarantee just to prove to you that it is made with superior technology to last for generations. So there you have it, guys, Elon Musk's $50,000 tiny house. And as you have seen, Musk is so passionate about making the world a better place, such that he has no time for material possessions. His bold actions go a long way to show that money isn't everything. And if we all could be a bit more like Elon Musk and try and trade out some of the things that don't matter in life, we would probably be far better off. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.